So first thing first, you need to sign in on YouTube TV under tv.youtube.com, and after that, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV and ensure subscription is still active, because you cannot watch NBC Sports without having YouTube TV base plan first. And then to watch NBC Sports on the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click right here on the search icon, and then you want to search for NBC. And then on NBC Sports Network, you want to click on it. Then you may scroll down and see the live session from NBC Sports. Or if you want to view the upcoming lives from NBC Sports, then you want to click on this upcoming section. And then it will show you the list of the show with their airtime on each of them. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.